Following the presentation, we shall now have the confirmation of our graduates and completers. To do the honors, we have here the consultant of Sawyer Integrated School, the president and CEO of Batanghenyo International, the VP External Affairs of Pusok, and one of the board of directors of ASMAS Philippines, or the Association of Science and Mathematics Educators of Public and Private Schools, one of the board of directors of Philippine Red Cross Cavite Chapter, and the DepEd SDO Cavite Province representative. Let's welcome Dr. Geoffrey D. Capili.
Dr. Geoffrey Capili, I have the honor and privilege to present to you the graduating class in grade 6, grade 10, and grade 12 of the Sawyer Integrated School located at Tanza, Cavite. They are composed of 55 males, 58 females, for a total of 113. They have completed all the necessary requirements prescribed by the Department of Education for the school year 2024-2025. Hence, may I request for the confirmation of their graduation. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam CEO. Maria Bernadette Sembrano Alberto. Wala na. Good morning, everyone. Wow. By the authority vested in me by Honorable Secretary Edgardo Angara of the Department of Education, through the school's Division Superintendent, Dr. Rosemary D. Torres, Department of Education, Schools Division Office, Cavite Province, and having been presented by our CEO and President and duly certified that you have completed the necessary requirements for moving up and graduation prescribed for by the Department of Education under the basic education curriculum. I now confirm you as movers and graduates of Sawyer Integrated School Incorporated today, April 13, 2025, here at SM Supermalls, Tanza, Cavite. Congratulations and mabuhay!